Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video we are finally doing DIY spring decor. I love spring. Lately I've been all about artificial flowers and like having them everywhere. I just love flowers. So I really hope that you like the ideas that I came up with in this video, and if you do, please click like and subscribe if you want to stick around because I put out new videos every Friday. Let's get on into making some spring decor. I hope you guys liked that video. Let me know down below which idea was your favorite or which idea you plan to make and use. I would really like to know. So I'll see you in my next video super soon. Bye!